guys, I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all doing well and safe. So today is 19th of March 2020 and this is the third day of the enhanced community quarantine here in Manila, Philippines. And due to that, I'm currently working from home. That's 5 times a week. And after that, that's the time I do my painting stuffs, my vlogging stuffs. And I'm currently working on a painting. It's for an online exhibition for our frontliners in PGH, UP-PGH. So it's a painting exhibit for a cause. So at first, I really don't know what to paint because I don't know if I'm having an art block or I really just don't know what to paint. But the exhibit coordinator advises that we can do or we can paint anything that we like as long as it gives positivity to the viewers. It's like when you check in the painting, your life will brighten up. Something like that. Let me just show you the part or the background that I made. I made some glazings for this. Here it is. It's not a bigger one because we were advised to create a painting not more than 9 by 12 inches. So this is what I'm using. It's actually dry now. And yesterday when I checked my paints, I'm actually looking of some colors which I guess I will be needing on this painting. So luckily I was able to get in contact with the oil paint store and they were able to ship me the paints that I need, other materials that I need just in one day. Imagine that. This part of the quarantine is actually not a haul, but let me show you what I bought from them. Here I purchased gesso. It's a professional gesso white. The brand is Kulay. I also bought some acrylic paints such as titanium white. I actually bought 2 colors for this, titanium white. Here's the other one. And then I also have here olive green, then violet, carbon black, and I also have this raw sienna. Then aside from those acrylic paints, I also bought this. This is an oil paint set from Pibeo. So this one is a linseed oil. It's also from Kulay. This one is an odor light thinner. I was supposed to purchase the odorless one, but they don't have it there. I have here an extra white paint for the oil color, and it's from Maurice. So if you plan to purchase something and if you want to have an affordable one, the best brand that you can purchase in the oil paint store is the brand Kulay. Then I also purchased these 2 long handle brushes and 1 short handle brush. These are all for oil paints. So I might be doing another vlog for that. My first try on oil paints. So yep, that's the current setup of my table. And so far this is our rough draft. I'm going to color this part. And let's see how it goes. So good morning guys, it's the 4th day of the quarantine and it's the 28th of March 2020. I'm currently working from home and this will just take 9 hours including lunch break. So I will be done with this at around 3 o'clock p.m. today. And then after that, I'll go back with the painting, this one there. I'll just have to work first and I'll get back to you with the painting later. So for my breakfast, I'm just having this Cocoa Crunch and yeah. I'll get back to you guys later.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I'm just done with my work from home duty and I'll now be painting, but let me show you how it looks like outside. From where I am right now. So there. See? There's still some people outside, but usually around this time there are lots of vehicles there, but as you can see, there's nothing. There are just some pedicabs and bikes. Yeah, so I have to finish this now because actually the deadline for this is tomorrow. Well, it should be tonight, but we were given another day to submit this, so I'll be finishing this today. So this is the part that I'll be continuing. So here are my paints, my brushes, I also have extra brushes here, and my pail of water, some paints here, and chunky, yeah. So let's go. So yeah, but before that, it's actually dinner time. It's around 6 p.m. and I'm just waiting for our dinner. And our barangay captain just mentioned a while ago there outside because they're doing like this patrolya. So they're implementing this time slots that you're allowed to go out. So for each family, there's only one person that can go out. And we should obey that. We should follow the rules in the government protocol because I believe that's all for our safety. And I hope you guys are all safe. So yeah, this is just the kind of day that I have during the quarantine period. So this is the last day of work from home because tomorrow is a weekend. So I have full time to do art stuffs and also some. I might be editing some vlogs. And I will be doing some filming for the Chocola video thingy. I'm just having back pain right now. That's why I really want to lay down. But still, I'm thinking that I have to finish the painting. Supposed to be tonight is a submission. So I really have to finish that. Then I'll edit some vlogs. Hopefully, I can post this on Sunday, this vlog. So, let's see. So, I'll just have to eat dinner. This is my dinner for tonight. This is what you call chiksilog. It consists of chicken, egg, and fried rice. So, let's eat.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so my keyboard and my mouse is not working because of the batteries. So I have to go down to buy some batteries. And I can still go down because it's just 7 o'clock. And the curfew is around 8 p.m. So let's go down. Alright guys, so we're going down to buy some batteries. And of course we need a mask. Because you're not allowed to get outside if you don't have mask. So yeah, let's go down. So yeah, I'm outside now and there's no one outside, no people around, so I'll just walk fast so I can also get back home quickly. And yeah, we're near the supermarket. It's just a mini mart here. We have to fall in line because they advise that there should only be 5 people inside, so let's just have to wait. From the battery, I'll also try to buy a few things, some supplies. Let me check. Going home now. Here's what I bought, including the batteries. Okay, we're here at the gate. I don't have the keys. Let's ask her anything. I'm kind of sweaty. Well, unfortunately, they no longer sell mask and alcohol. So here are the batteries. We're going to replace the one that we have here. Let's fix this now. Here's the view from outside. It's 7:09 of 21st of March today. This is my table right now. It's kind of messy because I fell asleep last night. I was not able to clean everything. And yeah, I have to finish this today. And we'll just have some breakfast first. I have here a sandwich with peanut butter, cookies, and milk, and some chocolates. And yeah, my keyboard is not working and my mouse. So the color palette I have here actually consists of phthalo blue. I also use, of course, titanium white and the rose madder. And I also used raw umber for the dark tones. Then, of course, my favorite paint, which is raw sienna. These are the palettes I used for the face, for the skin tone. But for the background, what I used here is a little bit of fluorescent pink. This is also from Kulay. A little bit of gold. And of course, titanium whites. Those are the three colors I use for the background. And also, I use a little bit of this raw sienna. Well, I got a lot of paints from Kulay, and I was actually introduced to this brand when I was teaching at Eshi Shack, because this is the paint that they're using for the students and at the shop. What's good about this is it's so affordable. So if you try to check the online shop of the oil paint store and you try to compare the prices, they do have an affordable one than the others. And what's good about this is that this paints, or this brand, is Filipino made. So what is Art in Quarantine? It's a fundraising online exhibit for Filipino health workers, specifically to the frontliners of UP-PGH. And my 18 Filipino artist friends and I are organizing a fundraising exhibit through the Art Show Philippines, entitled Art in Quarantine. We aim to support the healthcare workers of UP-PGH as they serve our fellow Filipinos during this COVID-19 pandemic. 100% of the funds through this online exhibition will be directly donated to PGH Foundation to support the PGH health workers who are the frontliners in the COVID-19 response. Anyone interested to support this fundraising art exhibit can donate the amount of 2,019 pesos and up for each paintings to the following accounts of the Philippine General Hospital Medical Foundation directly. So that's through BDO and also BPI. If you want to check other paintings, you could check the link that I posted, and the bank details of the PGH is also listed in the description box, so please feel free to check out that. I'm going to paint the sides as well. I'm planning to paint this gold or raw umber. Let me also put some glaze in it to protect as well the actual painting. So I'm going to be using this Reeves gloss varnish for oil and acrylic. I think this is enough for the actual painting. I'm just waiting for this to dry, but as you can see, it's kind of glossy now. So while waiting for this, let us just watch some Bitmon Rock. So what does this painting applies? So as of this year, as of this moment, we've got lots of unexpected and unforeseen circumstances, and one is the coronavirus. This painting shows that we need to have some precautions, like we have to sanitize, we have to wash our hands, we have to wear masks, and of course, we also need to pray. So I just used colors like this, kind of like a pastel thing to, it gives a playful vibe. Like when you see it, it's kind of like a color for positivity, because it's like a color of brightness, So yeah, that's the story of my painting. And while I'm doing the edges of this, I had a chat with one of the possible buyers, and luckily she purchased this. She availed of this, and take note, she already donated to PGH directly. Yeah, I'm just so happy because I was able to help by painting this, and she's also happy because she was able to help by purchasing this and donating 100% of the proceeds directly to PGH. So yeah, I'm just so happy. So I'm not yet done with the vlog for this, but yeah, it's so nice to know that this is now sold. This painting, ta-da! I guess I'm ending this video now, and as much as possible, please just stay at home. Sanitize, take vitamin C, prefer eating fruits and vegetables, and wear a mask if you really need to go outside. It would also be best to follow the government as they don't need criticisms at this moment, but cooperation from each one of us. And the most important thing of all, let us do pray. And through this video, I want to assure my siblings in Laguna that I'm still doing fine here in Manila. So please don't worry about me. This is all for today's video, and see you on the next one. Bye!